Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see the difference between the parallel and the collinear vectors. Also, we will solve one question on collinear vectors in some different method. Let's get started. The position vectors of three collinear points P, Q and R relative to an origin O are B minus 2A, 3A minus 2B and KA plus 6B respectively. Find the value of K and state the ratio PQ is to QR. Find in terms of A and B the position vector of the point S such that PS is equal to 2 times of SQ. Now because the vectors are collinear, it is given that the vectors are collinear. That means they are in the same line. So I can apply the condition that PQ is equal to T times of PR. Now I'll substitute the values and solve it. Now I will write down the vector PQ in the form of a position vector form. So if I write down in the position vector form, PQ will be written as OQ minus of OP is equals to T times of, write down in the position vector form will be written as OR minus of OP. Now OQ, move this OP on right hand side. That will be written as OP plus T times of OR minus T times of OP. Now OP is common. Let's take OP as a common factor. You are left with 1 minus T plus T times of OR vector. Now let's substitute the value OQ. OQ is given to us as 3A minus 2B is equal to OP. OP is B minus 2A multiplied by 1 minus T plus T times of OR vector. OR vector is KA plus 6B vector. Now 3A minus 2B is equal to, open the bracket here, vector B multiplied by 1 minus T minus 2 bracket 1 minus T vector A plus TKA vector plus 6TB vector. Now I'll combine vector B first here and then A. So 3A minus 2B is equal to, vector B is common. So you are left with 1 minus T plus 6T. Now plus vector A is common. You are left with minus 2 plus 2T plus TK. Now I can compare the vectors A and B on left hand side and right hand side separately. Equate the vector A first. So we will get 3 is equal to minus 2 plus 2T plus TK. So this is my first equation. If I equate the vector B, then I will get minus 2 is equal to 1 minus T plus 6T. Now move this minus 2 on left hand side. So it will be 3 plus 2 is equal to 2T plus TK. So it will be 2T plus TK is equal to 5. So this is my third equation. Now from here, if I solve this, minus 2, move this 1 on left hand side, it will be minus 1 is equal to minus T plus 6T is equal to 5T. So 5T is equal to negative 3. So T is equal to negative 3 over 5. Now substituting this value of T in equation number 3. So I will get 2 times of negative 3 over 5 plus negative 3 over 5 times K is equal to 5. So I will get minus 6 over 5 plus minus minus 3K over 5 is equal to 5. Now move this minus 6 over 5 on right hand side. It will be minus 3K over 5 is equal to 5 plus 6 over 5. So minus 3K over 5 is equal to, let's take the LCM here. You will be getting 25 plus 6. So that will be equal to minus 3K over 5 is equal to 31 over 5. Now 5 will got cancelled from here and you will be getting minus 3K is equal to 31. Which is giving you K is equal to 31 over 3 with the negative sign. This is the value of K. Now I have to find the ratio PQ is to QR. PQ, we just figured it out earlier, which is 5A minus 3B. Now I need to find out QR. If I write down QR in the position vector form, so QR vector will be written as OR minus of OQ. Let's substitute the values here. OR is basically KA plus 6B. So the value of K is minus 31 over 3. So I am substituting it here. So I'll be getting OR as minus 31 over 3A plus 6B. Let's substitute the value here. So it will be minus 31 over 3A plus 6B minus of OQ vector. OQ vector is 3A minus of 2B vector. Now let's open the bracket first. Minus 31 over 3A plus 6B minus 3A plus 2B. Now I need to combine the vector A and B. So let's combine it. So vector A is common. So you are left with 31 over 3 minus of 3. Now vector B is common. You are left with 6 plus 2. So that will be equal to vector A. Let's take the LCM here. So it will be 3 minus 31 minus 9 plus 8B vector. Minus 31 minus 9 will be giving you minus 40 over 3 and then plus 8B. Now I need to simplify this little bit. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to take out 8 as a common factor. So you are left with minus 5A over 3 plus B. Now let's take the LCM again here inside the bracket. So it will be 3 here minus 5A plus 3B. Now I have to divide PQ over QR. So PQ is basically 5A minus of 3B over QR. QR is this value. Let's substitute the value here. So it will be 8 over 3 bracket minus 5A plus 3B. Now as we can see that there is a change of sign here. So I'll just take out the negative sign outside from the denominator. So this will be written as 5A minus 3B and 8 over 3 will be 3 over 8. I'll take out negative sign outside and this will be written as 5A minus of 3B. So as you can see that this got cancelled and your answer is minus 3 over 8. So here our ratio is negative, but we know that the ratio cannot be negative. So the ratio will be given as PQ is to QR will be given by 3 is to 8, or you can write down 3 is to 8. That will be your answer. Now I need to find out the position vector of S, and the given condition is PS is equal to 2 times of SQ. Now let's write PS and SQ in the form of a position vector form. So it will be written as OS minus of OP is equal to 2 times of OQ minus of OS vector. So let's open the bracket on right hand side. It will be OS minus of OP is equal to 2 times of OQ minus 2 times of OS vector. Now move this OS vector on left hand side. So it will be OS plus 2OS is equal to 2OQ. Move this OP on right hand side. It will be plus OP. OS plus 2OS will give you 3OS is equal to 2 times of OQ plus OP vector. Now let's substitute the vector OQ and OP. It will be 2 times of OQ. OQ is 3A minus of 2B plus OP vector. OP vector is B minus of 2A vector. Now let's open the bracket here. It will be 6A minus of 4B plus of B minus of 2A. Now let's combine A. 6A minus 2A is 4A minus 4B plus B will give you minus 3B. So the OS vector will be written by 1 over 3 of 4A minus of 3B vector. That will be your answer. Let's see one more example. The position vectors of the points P, Q and R are small vector P, A8 in the form of a column vector form. Vector Q is -3, 4 and vector R is equal to 8, B respectively. Find the value of A and of N such that P plus NQ is equal to 2, 16 in the form of a column vector form. The value of B such that the points P, Q, R are collinear. Now, position vector of P is given to us as A8. So, that will be written as small p. So, position vector of Q is OQ, which will be small q, which will be written as -3, 4. Position vector of R is small r, which is 8, B. Now, I need to write down the value for A and B such that P plus NQ is equal to 2, 16. So, let's substitute the value here for P and Q. So, P is written as A8 plus N times of Q. Q is equal to -3, 4. That is equals to 2, 16. Now, let's open this on the left hand side. It will be A8 plus -3N, 4N, that is equals to 2, 16. Now, let's add it on left hand side. It will be A minus 3N, 8 plus 4N is equal to 2, 16. Now, let's equate the I and J vector separately. If I equate the I vector, I'll be getting A minus 3N is equal to 2. That is my first equation. If I equate the J vector, I'll be getting 8 plus 4N is equal to 16. That is my second answer. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this -3 on right hand side. So, it will be A is equal to 2 plus 3N. This is my third equation. Now, from second equation, we have moved this 8 on right hand side. It will be 4N is equal to 16 minus 8. So, 4N is equal to 8. So, N is equal to 8 over 4. So, N is equal to 2. Now, I am substituting this value of N in equation number 3. So, I will be getting 8 is equal to 2 plus 3 times of 2. So, A is equal to 2 plus 6. So, A is equal to 8. That will be the value for A and N. Now, they say that P, Q, R are collinear. That means they are in the same line. I can write down PQ is equal to K times of PR vector. So, I have given all the values. Now, let's write down PQ and PR in terms of the position vector form. So, this will be written as OQ minus of OP is equal to K times of OR minus of OP vector. Now, let's move this OP on right hand side. It will be OQ is equal to OP plus, open the bracket here, K times of OR minus of K times of OP vector. Now, let's combine the OP vector first. So, OP is common here. So, it will be 1 minus K plus K times of OR vector. Now, let's substitute the values for OQ, OP and OR. Now, OQ vector is -3, 4 is equal to OP vector. OP vector is 8, 8 and then multiplied by 1 minus K plus K times of OR vector. OR vector is 8, B vector. Let's open this first here. That will be written as 8 bracket 1 minus K, 8 bracket 1 minus K plus 8K and 8B. Now, let's add it here. It will be -3, 4. That is equals to 8 minus 8K plus 8K, and it will be 8 minus 8K plus 8B vector. So, from here, this got cancelled and you are left with -3, 4 is equal to 8, 8 minus 8K plus 8B. Now, if I equate the I vector, I am getting -3 is equal to 8, which is not possible. That means if I say that the vectors are collinear here, I can't write down PQ is equal to K times of PR vector. So this method of applying the collinear vectors of solving it is not working in this question. So we have to apply some different method. So if we say that the vectors are like this, so PQ and then QR vector is separate vector. So I can write down PQ vector is lambda times of QR vector. Now let's write down PQ and QR in terms of the position vector form. So this will be written as OQ minus of OP is equal to lambda times of OR minus of OQ vector. Now let's open the bracket here on right hand side. Lambda times of OR minus lambda times of OQ vector. Move this OQ vector on left hand side. So it will be OQ plus lambda times of OQ minus of OP is equal to lambda times of OR vector. Now move this OP vector on right hand side. Take OQ vector as a common factor. So OQ vector bracket, you are left with 1 plus lambda is equal to OP plus lambda times of OR vector. Let's substitute the values here. OQ vector is minus 3, 4, bracket of 1 plus lambda is equal to OP vector. OP vector is 8, 8 plus lambda times of OR vector. OR vector is 8, B vector. Now let's solve it on left hand side. It will be minus 3 bracket of 1 plus lambda, 4 bracket of 1 plus lambda is equal to 8, 8 plus it will be 8 lambda and it will be B lambda. Now let's solve this here. Minus 3 lambda, 4 plus 4 lambda is equal to 8 plus 8 lambda, 8 plus B lambda. Now let's equate I and J vector separately. If I equate the I vector, I'll be getting minus 3 lambda is equal to 8 plus 8 lambda. This will be my first equation. If I equate the J vector, I'll be getting 4 plus 4 lambda is equal to 8 plus B lambda. That is my second equation. Now let's solve this first equation. So if I move this 8 on left hand side, it will be minus 3 minus 8 minus 3 lambda is equal to 8 lambda. Now move this minus 3 lambda on right hand side. Minus 3 minus 8 is minus 11 is equal to 8 lambda plus 3 lambda. So minus 11 is equal to 11 lambda. So lambda is equal to minus 11 over 11. This will be giving you lambda is equal to minus 1. Now I am substituting this value of lambda in equation number 2. So I'll be getting 4 plus 4 bracket of minus 1 is equal to 8 plus B bracket of minus 1. So it will be 4 minus 4 is equal to 8 minus B. So it got cancelled and it will be 0 here, which will be equal to 8 minus B. Now move this B on left hand side, you will be getting B is equal to 8. So these are the values for B and lambda. Now let's see the difference between the parallel and the collinear vectors. What is the difference between parallel and collinear vectors? If I draw the vectors like this, parallel to each other, that means I can say that the vectors are parallel to each other because those two vectors are parallel. Now, what is the difference between the collinear vectors? Collinear means they are in the same line. So if I say that the vectors are overlapping with each other but they are in the same line, or I can draw the vectors in the same line but at some distance, still they are considered as collinear vectors. So these two vectors will be known as collinear vectors. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye bye everyone.